This looks like a good spot. And there's the fish. Alright. Well, I still haven't found my buddy. I have no idea where he is. Huh. Little rainbow. Come on. I just want my fly back. Thank you. Had a couple hits in here. Maybe there's another one. Beautiful day. Supposed to be 90. I know there's some 18 or 19 inch fish in here. Just gotta coax them on. All I can really do is a little row cast. Got trees right behind me. Let's see if we can pull one more out of here. Nice looking rock up there. There should be something behind it.